What's up, YouTube? It's been a long time since I've given you guys an update on the Turbo IS. So here's how she sits today. I just ended up tearing it apart, but we're doing a couple things. But I'm not sure when the last time the channel has seen the car. So let me just show you how she sits right now. This is the interior. I ended up doing the headliner and all the interior upholstery. Swapped it to a black interior as well. Used to be tan. I did not want to swap the dash, so I left that there. But yeah, I took it apart to basically, I got a new turbo. My 67 millimeter was smoking really bad, which I have video of, so I'm gonna do a before and after type of video. But the 67 millimeter was smoking so bad, and a local buddy of mine ended up parting his car out, and I bought his 62. So we're gonna go use a smaller turbo. It should make about the same power, but it'll come online a lot sooner. So I'm excited about that. But while I have the car apart, I think I might go ahead and go full send with the ABS relocation, and I'll put it where the battery is. I need to relocate the battery as well. It's just not in here, but I need to run wires to the trunk so I can put the battery in the trunk, put the ABS where the battery goes, and clean up the brake line situation so I can get my big brake kit dialed in as well. A lot of work to get done on this car, but this is how she sits now. Hopefully in the next couple weeks she'll be running with the new 62. So I today just took it apart to make a list of what I need to get done before I get a new tune. I'm gonna fix a lot of this wiring, so you'll see like this is all melted together. It's like one stiff cable. So I have noise in my harness. I want to fix the crappy wiring, and then I want to relocate my map sensor, get it off the engine. My tuner said that the vibrations could be making it read wrong and it was hitting fuel cut. So I'm going to mount that to the chassis or the firewall somewhere and plumb a vacuum line to it. There's a bunch of small things I have to get done, but those are the main things I need before the tune. And then my buddy Jason, who also has the AR5 manual swapped IS, he's modifying my turbo compressor housing so it can line up with my piping. And we might even redo all the piping while we're at it. Who knows? Kind of took it apart for just a couple things, and it's turned into a lot more. Here is the new 62. Well, at least this side of it. Jason has the compressor housing. I'm gonna have to rewrap my downpipe because just this old heat wrap just fell apart. Gonna need a new turbo blanket because this one's too big for the small turbo. Probably gonna wrap my downpipe while it's all taken apart. But I have a lot of work to get done, and I've been super busy. But I'm getting motivated, so we're gonna get this shit done. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where the car's at, what it looks like, and yeah, I also did a full suspension build on it. God, I have that recorded, not edited, but we went all poly bushings. Basically, like 90% of the bushings. I think the rear subframe bushings are the only ones that are not poly. But yeah, I'll give you guys more details on those small modifications at some point. I've got the videos made. I just need to sit down and edit them. But I'm gonna give you guys a raw clip today, just so you see where the car's at, and we'll see you on the next video.